Boy, Howlett, Yako, let's go! Who goes into the night so we can save the day? Who had the serious? Show you the way. pjmasks, 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 pjmasks. The night time. Welcome once again. Welcome to my channel. My name is Okwemi Richardson Arebo, and I'm super delighted to have you here. Wow, you love my mask. Oh, how do you get to make this? Are you ready? So let's go create. Paper plate card boy mask. Awesome. Crayons, one big paper plate, markers, perforator, yes, pencil obviously, cutter, yes, our blue ribbon, yes, we need the blue ribbon. Awesome. Now our scissors for cutting. Let's begin. So the first thing you have to do is to map out the space for the drawing, yes, so that you can have a balanced drawing of the mask. Now let's draw. Take your time. Don't forget, you don't have to be perfect. So get your erasers. If you make mistakes, you can clean off your mistakes. Now let's strengthen our lines. That's thicken your line. So we used thin line, now we're using thick line. Include other features. Yes, the highs, the catboy features, the high brow, and the rest. Now let's define the lines with the permanent marker. I love Monami permanent marker. You know why? Because it has ink in it, so the ink refills it easily. Now after tracing, now color the other features. That's the eyebrow, and we have to color before we cut. Yes, we have to cut, so we have to color before we cut. Now we color the main background. Yes, that's the catboy color. So this color is sort of like a royal blue, that ultramarine blue. Yes. Now let's add some highlights. Now what this does is it helps it to make look real. Add some highlights. Now we add some more effects. Yes, what this also does is it makes it look real. Now it's time to cut. Let's cut the mask shape out. Yes, it's time to cut the spaces for the eyes. So we're going to learn how to cut the eyes using the scissors and the cutter. Yes, the scissors and the cutter. Now the first one is the scissors. So punch a hole at the corner of one of the high spaces, and then through that hole pass in your scissors and then cut gently. So this is what you do if you want to use the scissors to cut the high space. Now it's time to use the cutter. Now for the cutter, you need a surface like a thick card. So you place it on it and then you cut through gently. Please, if you're using the scissors and the cutter, they are both sharp objects. Please be careful with them. Let an adult assist you. Now remember, undo with care. Undo with care. Now let's punch holes for the ribbon and then fix the ribbon. Yes, so this is where we use our perforator. You punch the holes on the side, make sure that they are on the same level. Now we pass our ribbon. So we cut our ribbon into two. We're using the blue ribbon, remember, because it's catboy. Yes. Move, voila. Awesome. Our mask is ready. This is beautiful, so beautiful. Remember, big paper plate so that I can fit. Oh, welcome back. That was awesome. So we've learned a lot of skills. We learned how to punch holes in our template. We learned how to draw the template itself, right? And also we learned two ways of creating eye holes for our mask. Also, we learned how to add the features of catboy.
Don't forget that Catboy has a particular type of blue, right? Good. So let's go for a party, a costume party, and wants to try their hands on the Catboy mask. If you would like me to try out the gecko or the owlet mask, please drop in the comment section and I'll be looking forward to seeing your creations as well. Till then,